This is a video showing you how to remove paper jams for a Sharp MX series photocopier with the booklet finisher fitted. You can see on screen that the machine's actually telling me now that it's got a paper jam in the paper pass unit, which is the part that's at the just underneath the control panel there, which takes the paper out into the finisher unit. So first of all, you just pull that door towards you, and then the first thing you're going to check is just to make sure that there isn't actually any paper stuck in this feed section here. As we can sort of see, there isn't any, so what I need to do is be able to get this unit out. So to remove this paper unit, just down in this bottom corner you'll sort of see that there is a little white clip, and what you need to be able to do is get your finger underneath that clip, and then you'd need to be able to just flick it up and you'll actually feel it click. So what I'll do is I'll just put both hands onto the unit, and it's like a kitchen drawer, so if you lift that up, it comes towards you, and then you'll just lift it up and then it will actually fully come out of the machine. So first of all, you want to check inside the machine to make sure that there aren't any jams inside there. So you'll be checking in this sort of section, and also just check on the top section as well, just make sure that there's no paper there, but that should only be if it was duplexing. So the next thing you want to check is, because there's no paper there visible, there must be a problem with the actual paper pass unit itself. So there's two things to first check. There are two sensors. This is the first one, and you'll actually see there's a spring there that's actually still on it, so that's okay and that's fine. And then the other one is just down on this sort of bottom section here, and what you'll find is that the spring's actually popped off, so it's probably had a paper jam, and it's forced the when the paper was pulled out, it's just forced the spring off. So all I need to do is just reconnect it onto this little bridge here. So now that's hooked back on, and you'll sort of see it there moving freely. So I should just be able to slide that unit back in. Again, like a kitchen drawer, so if you just have it lifted up first, there's a little bracket there, a little pole at the front there, you're just going to go underneath. You'll hear it click, and then just close that unit, and now the machine's saying it's got rid of that jam, and then it's going to come up and it says it's ready to scan for work.